Portugal, a sunny country by the Atlantic Ocean, has a hidden, secret, amazing underwater parks full of life. These special protected areas, all around Portugal's coast and out to the Azores and Madeira Islands, show how much Portugal cares about its oceans. From the rocky beaches to the deep volcanoes under the sea, these places are incredibly beautiful and full of different creatures. These underwater safe havens are not just pretty, they're super important for keeping the ocean healthy. Inside these areas, fish and other sea creatures are safe from fishing and pollution, so they can grow strong. Let's explore these underwater worlds and see why it's so important to protect them for everyone in the future. Under the waves in Portugal, there are many different underwater places, each with its own special animals and plants. Rocky reefs covered in colorful seaweed and sponges are homes for lots of fish. Sandy areas have different creatures, like crabs that dig in the sand and rays that sneak around. Out in the open ocean, fast fish like tuna and mackerel chase smaller fish, while dolphins and sea turtles swim along. The Azores, islands made from volcanoes in the middle of the Atlantic, have amazing underwater mountains and valleys. Here, hot vents shoot out water with minerals, and special creatures live around them. These vents, sometimes called black smokers, show how powerful the earth is and how tough life can be. Portugal's underwater parks are like a rainbow of life, with tons of different animals all working together. Brightly colored fish like orange and blue kingfish and shiny silver sardines swim around the reefs. Octopuses that can change color to hide wait in the rocks to catch food. Lobsters and crabs crawl on the seafloor looking for something to eat. Seagrass meadows like underwater fields are homes for baby fish and food for sea turtles. These underwater gardens also help keep the water clean and take in bad air. All these different animals show how healthy and full of life Portugal's underwater parks are. Portugal's underwater parks are like safe places for sea life, giving us hope for healthy oceans. By protecting these areas from too much fishing, pollution, and other bad things people do, we help the ocean stay healthy. This way, lots of different animals and plants can survive. These protected areas are also like giant science labs, where scientists can learn about the ocean. It's really important to keep these underwater wonderlands safe. They're not just good for the ocean, they're good for people too. By protecting the ocean, we help the people who live near the sea and need the ocean for fishing and tourism. Healthy oceans also help keep the earth cool and make the air we breathe. As the earth gets warmer and more animals are in danger, protecting these special underwater places is even more important.